Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the innovative cane with seat, a folding lightweight walking stick that doubles as a portable stool, perfect for both men and women, including seniors who enjoy outdoor activities. Crafted from high-quality ABS and aluminum alloy, this sturdy yet feather-light cane stool weighs just 2.2 pounds but can support up to 330 pounds, making it an ideal companion for all your adventures. Its 2-in-1 folding design effortlessly transforms from a reliable walking stick into a comfortable chair in seconds, offering instant rest for tired legs and knees. The ergonomic handle ensures a firm grip without hand cramps, while the slip-resistant footing provides stability on various surfaces, enhancing your safety and peace of mind. Whether you're hiking, traveling, or simply waiting in line, this multi-purpose cane seat is perfect for any occasion and makes a thoughtful gift for your loved ones or yourself. With adjustable heights ranging from 34 to 38.5 inches and a seat height of 18.5 to 21.5 inches, it caters to users between 4 feet 11 inches and 6 feet 7 inches, ensuring comfort and convenience for all. Plus, enjoy the reassurance of our 100% customer satisfaction guarantee, backed by fast return and exchange services, so you can focus on your adventures with confidence. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.